Good morning from the Crinan Canal. We are in the Lock Basin. It's the first one as you come in on the north side. Yesterday we came down from Midday to Oban and we stopped at Tobermory, which was nice. See where they filmed Balamory. And then we came down here. We got in here about another hour and a half, so about 5.5 hours yesterday. The rest of the crew are asleep. So I can see all my towels drying. Right, I'm gonna head out and gonna get some photos. I had to fix the drone last night when I came home from the restaurant. I managed to fly the drone into myself when I was trying to land it yesterday. Cut my thumb open, split a blade on the drone. So and today the plan is we're going to head off down the Crinan Canal. That should take about 6 hours, but we've got to wait for this gate here, which is 9 o'clock before this opens. Fun fact of the day: maximum speed 4 knots. Now for a canal boat, easily achievable. For our sort of boat, highly challenging. My boat on absolute tick over does 5 knots, 4.8, 5 knots. It's also very narrow. That there's only probably 6 meters wide, that first corner. So they put some wood barriers there to stop people crashing into the little bridge. Alright, let's go and see if the other team are awake. And I've been born again.
I think you mentioned them yesterday.
Yes.
Been born again, but I've got a lot of sympathy for the woman.
I was just coming up. Just coming to check you guys are awake.
Very quick.
Yeah.
I've overfaced myself too early.
Is it?
It's all downhill.
On the banter, early things.
Yeah, it's all,
yeah. I see what Phil means about being narrow around the corner there.
Yeah.
The big crash barriers in the first corner. Cool. Yes, well, I shall now go and video Phil in bed, he likes that. Back on board. Nothing to be seen here. Where is everybody? There he is. Morning, Philip. Morning, Neil. You ready for your first filming performance?
Where's my tea?
Tea. We can do you a tea, Philip. Right. Gotta go. Philip needs a cup of tea. So down the Crinan Canal today, and we're heading at 6 hours. We'd like to possibly get to Bangor in Northern Ireland tonight. Subject to weather, subject to fuel. Fuel's very important. Right now we haven't got enough fuel to get through, and it's a Sunday. So we're on the internet. We've potentially found somewhere to fuel up. So hopefully there'll be someone there, as promised.
Let's go.
Number 14. You excited, Colin?
Slightly concerned about my ability to do any of this, but I'm going to learn today, aren't I?
You'll be completely fine.
I'll be learning.
This is our lock keeper.
Okay.
Being very kind to us last night. Gave us a good berth in the yacht basin.
From the canal. We're now officially fully on the canal, out of the canal basin. It's 9:20 Saturday morning, and it's overcast, but it's nice, very still. And we've now got the other 13 locks to negotiate over, I believe, roughly 6 hours.
Ah, he's on the flybridge. He's eventually found flybridge weather. Around the roundabout, Phil. It's one way.
This is the first marina in the Crinan. Beautiful.
Morning! You're bringing the rain but down this way. It's been glorious sunshine down there. And it's free beer till 11.
People gonna go in now, she's closing the gate.
Yeah. Cheers, they are closing the gate.
I don't think the two of us are gonna go.
Right, okay, let's go to that pontoon. I'll do the rope work and we'll watch, see if you bash my boat. Oh, here we go. Sorry guys. We're just trying to get alongside. Parallel parking's not Phil's strong point.
This is my first time this one,
Hey, Phil's first time parallel parking. As you can see, we're at 30 degrees. Swing the back over your joystick. Getting there. Alright, that'll do, yeah. Right. Well done, Philip. Just checking for scratches for the insurance company. Grand job. We're at lock number 13. Our sailing friends gone in first, so we have to wait our turn. We're very patient people. A lot of grass in here. It's all this stuff that gets caught in the engine and blocks it. So we'll definitely be checking the water strainer before we head off. Right, lock 13. I'm not saying it's tight, but you can just fit two 38-foot cruisers in and a Phillip.
Nice.
So we've got to open the locks. This is our first one we've got to open.
Right, give it a go now. See if you can beat Neil.
Well done, Philip, for standing there. Good job. It's not easy, I'm sure.
Compliance, I think is the word. Until I fall over, of course.
Well, that's what the stones in the track are for.
Yeah, but I'll still find a way of falling over at some point.
And then you pop your lock down in the lock. It's underneath.
This goes down there somewhere.
Yeah, no, it goes into the grass. We're just waiting to get into the next lock. What's at the next lock?
Bacon rolls, I think.
Whoa! Bacon rolls. Door to open. We're about 5 locks in of 15 through the Crinan Canal. When they said it was 5 hours to get through, I think that's a bit of an underestimate. It's taken quite a lot of time for things to happen, but that's so be it. It's nice to actually be doing something rather than sitting at the helm, just steering into waves.
So, next lock's open. That boat's coming out. We're going to go past it, port to port, and then we're off. Right, so one of these locks has got a little cafe. So let's go and get a cup of coffee, slice of cake. Holly's Coffee Stop. Very welcome.
Well done, Holly.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. So it's a welcome break in this fine Scottish weather day. Boat's still in the lock, causing a bit of a queue. And
Oh, indulgent.
Phil's buying us all a slice of cake as well. Thanks, Phil.
It's very indulgent.
Alex Pico Trust is a long-standing regulated Jersey trust company. They provide trusts and company formation administration services for local residents and international clients alike. They have history reaching back 137 years when they started out as a Jersey accountancy firm. The team of around 35 staff work from the new offices on the Esplanade. All staff are qualified accountants and it's owned and operated by Jersey resident directors. Clients are high net worth individuals, family officers and entrepreneurs. They put their clients first and have a reputation for highly personalised service. Alice Pico Trust. Thanks for sponsoring. Big shout out to the Crinan team here. So you throw your rope up like that, they hook you on, and then Phil will adjust the tightness to whatever he wants.
Okay.
Getting good at this, boys. I've run out of waterproof sun cream. Have you got any? So, this is the lock keeper. Morning.
Hello, how you doing?
Lovely Scottish weather you have for us.
Absolutely.
So what are we about to do?
Because we've got two boats in the lock, the boat's further up in the lock, you start on that side.
Yeah.
So just open it. Come out here, you judge the reaction of the boat. If it's okay, go to the other side, it kind of shoots the water between the two boats.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it works.
Okay. So this basically lifts up a little door here, and you see the water now flooding in. So this is like the gauge how much it's come up, so we've lifted up like 3 inches. And then we'll do the other side. This is where Phil's boat normally crashes into mine.
Seem to have a lot more space in it this time.
Yeah. Is it the same size lock?
Yeah. What happens is though the water hits off the back gates and tends to push it forward.
Right, that's what happened last time, yeah. And we ended up nearly in the gate. That is the last uphill lock, I believe. Now, a nice big wide canal in front of us. Straight as opposed to all these little wiggly bits. The boys just taking off the last rear line. It's absolutely pouring down out there, boys. Well done, Shag. Right, let's go, Philip. So here we are, lock 8. It's now 1/4 for round numbers. So we've got 8 more to go, and we've only done 7. You ready? Yeah, all good. So we started at 9 o'clock this morning. So we've done coming up for 4 hours, and 4 hours we might not even make it out the last lock. So hopefully there's no more boats ahead of us. We lost a little bit of time on that, but right, we're certainly not going to make it to Ireland at this rate. Well, the garage that sells fuel, the pump station closes at 4, so I don't think we're going to make that.
So, well into the Crinan Canal, over halfway now, and the rain stopped, sun's come out, and things are looking up.
As canal boating, it's not that relaxing. You've got to steer it all the time, stopping and starting all the time because you're going to run into the fella in front. And you can't crack open a beer.
Now heading into lock number 6. Lovely guys, every lock's been manned so far. We jump out and give them a hand, but fair play, brilliant service. Well done, Scottish Canal people.
Go on, Neil, get you back into it.
So, the Crinan Bridge. This pivot in the middle. That's the road. And we've got another lock. Dream team's already here.
Oh, there is a boat coming.
There it is?
Yeah, go to your right. Good job, it's in a wide section.
The sun's come out. The beers come out. We got happy crew. There's Mr. Carter behind. I'm on a water from the yacht club down in St. Malo. We started up here in Crinan, come all the way down, we're now here. And that is the good old ocean. So we're not far away, last lock. Which, do you know what, will be bang on, they're 6 hours, they're recommended. So that's how long it takes, Crinan Canal. Albeit they sell you a 4-day pass, which is very kind of them.
Right, lock 2, Crinan Canal. One more to go, and then we're back to the sea. Long day, but as a canal and lock rookie, I've, in a strange sort of way, despite the pressure, I've really enjoyed it. And it's a very different form of boating, as I said before, I think. And yeah, looking forward to getting back to something more than 4 knots, but it's been really interesting and great experience. Onwards.
Lock 2's open, but we've got to wait till they've lifted the bridge up.
Last lock then, Captain.
At last,
We're pleased, aren't we?
long day of locking.
It has.
Yeah.
But very interesting though, from the uninitiated like myself.
Okay, so get the stirring.
Will do.
So here we are, last lock. Captain Carter. And we have beach, seawater. That is the end of the Crinan Canal. And down there and out there is where we're going. Tremendous.
So we are out of Crinan Canal at Arisaig, or Ardussaig, and we're now back to the sea.
So here we are in Portavadie, very fango dango marina. Massive, very new. Lots of decent big boats in there. Lots of nice residential, swimming pool complex, indoor and outdoor, infinity pool, spa rooms. About to have a meeting tonight to discuss what the plan is. We might have to review quite a bit. The weather's looking pretty poor for the rest of the week. So strong southerly winds, 5 to 7s, probably most of the week. So might be we change it to angle attack. Maybe we don't go to Ireland. Albeit we've still got to head south from where we are. But if it means not crossing the Irish Sea, that might be an option. Might be what we have to do. Very fango. So here we are in Portavadie. Yeah. We had the option of sandwiches, but Philip decided we've done such a good job today in the pouring rain. We need a 3-course meal. Very smart looking restaurant.
Yeah, lovely.
Thanks for watching. We undertook this journey to raise funds for Prostate Cancer UK, so any donations would be greatly appreciated. You can find the link to donate in the description below. A special thanks to our sponsors, jerseyvansales.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date and to follow the rest of our journey around Britain. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the sea.